Wagwan peeps. I went to the market today, to the beach, and got me some fish. Want to show me how I fry it up. I fried it up. There's about 5 little fish in there. Oh my god, it's gonna be so good. I fry it up with some onion, some pepper, some sweet pepper, some carrot, some scallion, some pimento. I fry it up with some vinegar and a little water. After I fry the fish, I pour the onion and scallion vinegar on it. Yeah, man. And I'm gonna fry up some plantain. Yeah, man. You see what we are, so? Yeah, man. That's what you call Easter Saturday dinner. What you say? You know, that's how we do it in Jamaica now. Fish is kind of cheap. I bought about 20 fish for about equivalent to maybe $23 US. So you do the math. I have fish for about 4 or 5 days the way I'm cooking it like this because I can eat this like 3 meals. You could add on to it bami, you could add on to it rice, you could add on to it vegetable, you could add on to it dumpling. What you want to do? Banana, whatever you want to do. This fish good, man. Just put a sauce on it, vinegar, onion. Yeah, man. It's fresh and good. What you say?